morning and welcome to day 16. I thought it might be a little fun if we did everything from my perspective today. Let's make some breakfast. So first I'm just cutting all the edges off the crust. And then I'm going to stick them in the toaster oven. I'm going to turn it on later while the eggs are cooking. I don't want them to get too toasty. Then I'm going to put 2 avocados into a bowl. And then we're going to crack some eggs and we're going to cook them over easy, over medium, just so they're still like dippy eggs. You may know this trick, you might not, but if you get like a little piece of eggshell into your eggs, if you actually use the shell, you can get it out much easier. It just comes right out. It's just able to cut through the whites so easily. So that's my little trick for that. Like I said, you might know it, you might not, but if you don't, now you do. And I'm gonna turn the heat on to like medium low and put a lid on it so these bad boys can cook up. Now back to the avocado. We're gonna add some salt, some pepper, and some lemon juice. We're also gonna get the bread toasting. And then we're just going to smash. And there we go, it's all ready. I just taste tested it as I went to see if I needed to add more salt or more lemon juice. And I didn't want to smash it too much. I still have pretty big chunks in there. The eggs are cooking up quite nicely. Leave the top on so it helps cook the top as well, because I'm not a person that likes the top of my dippy eggs to be any kind of runny. I want the yolk to be runny, but I don't want anything else to be runny. And then I would give mine a little flip just to make sure the top is cooked the way I like it. But Matt's really like that. And now the toast is done toasting, but I like to add a little Kerrygold to each piece, and then I just hold it in the toaster so it melts on top so I can spread it. And then if you don't know, Kerrygold is the best tasting butter in the world. It's grass-fed, it's from Ireland, it's amazing. We only buy this. It's a little more pricey, but it's worth it and better for you. And you get it at Costco, so the priciness isn't that bad. And then you just take the avocado yumminess and put it on top. And now here's the secret. You have to sprinkle on top everything but the big ol' sesame seasoning blend. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Then it's time to add the egg. Look how yummy this looks. Now this is Matt's, so as you can see, like, it's still a little jiggly. I just don't like that, so I cooked mine a little bit longer. But it still looks so amazing. It's so yummy. And if you like, add a little bit of salt to the eggies and pepper. I like pepper, I add pepper. Matt does not like it, so I do not add it to his. Alrighty, here's mine. A little more cooked on top, a little pepper, and I gave myself an extra egg instead of extra bread. Yum, yum. Here you go, lovies. Okay, we're off to my hair done. I need to tie my shoe. So I don't have any earrings on right now, but I have my earrings hanging in my car from my little earring trick. I'll link that video for you, but it comes in super handy. Don't forget to put on earrings. So I was running exactly on time. I'm here exactly 11:30, but she just texted me as I was on my way, and she's running like 10 minutes behind. So I have time to talk to you for a second. So this is a way that you could see me from my perspective, right? Too funny. A little secret so that you don't have to give up wearing the earrings that you love is this little bad boy. I'm going to put a link in for you so you can watch the class on this, because you're probably like, what the heck am I going to do with this? So it works, it's amazing, and I did it today because my earrings were hurting. And they were also hanging out right here. Such a handy little trick. Got 2 little life hacks for you today. Who am I kidding? I probably have more life hacks for you today. The day's just begun, you know? And I'm a walking life hack.
Hi, I'm here for Andrea.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, me too. Me too. Yum. And I always think that this is such a good idea. It's just like a basket that they cut a hole under and they put their paper towels in. Such a good idea for a guest bathroom. I love it. Because I have some things I need to pick up for tonight's Christmas dinner. So let's go do it. I need fresh tarragon. And of course they do not have any. They got like bay leaves for days though. Like, come on, give me some tarragon. Now I have to go to another store. Okay, score. So I just asked a guy that I walk by that works here, and I was like, do you by chance know if there's any fresh tarragon in the back? And he found a whole box for me. So now we don't have to go to another store. I'm stoked. I found walnuts, $4 off a pound. What? That's great because I can get the amount that I need and not have a whole bag of walnuts just hanging around the house for a ridiculous price. It's the best. Saw these guys, Imagine Dragons, at Kaboo this past year. I did a whole video on Kaboo. It's one of my favorite videos I've ever done in my life, actually, so I'll tag it for you because I think it's so much fun. But dude, the lead singer is very he's a lot. He wore these weird shorts the whole time with no shirt on and these weird shoes. Like, he's an interesting fellow. I got a new ginger beer today. I'm excited to try it. It says award-winning. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, I just love you. I just love you. You're so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good girl. Just picking some fresh basil for our bruschetta tonight. All fancy. All the pillows upside down. I guess that's okay. 7 is sold out. Beef Wellington at its finest. We made a medium and a medium rare side.
Ashley, you live Vlogmas.
That's right, Johnny, you live over there. I made a white Russian with Baileys instead of cream, and it is delicious. Oh my gosh, we played this game tonight called 5-Second Rule. It was very fun, and if you're looking for like a last-minute gift to give, I think this would be super fun. Well, we've had a very successful Christmas party, but it is time to turn off the lights and go to bed. I hope you've enjoyed this day of things from my perspective, and I will see you tomorrow. jacket. Ah. Come here, Sadie. Yeah. You're all ready for the rain, aren't ya? Aren't ya?